is. On a trip for a 40-minute drive, I guess. Well, another great day in the fucking YouTube game. Well, this is a new week. And if you can see, I'm feeling way better again. So let's hit it for this episode. Well, last Friday was the first day of a new month. We were in March. Friday the 1st. And I did 7 hours of work. And not feeling well, but I was kind of happy on how much work I got done. This week, however, was crazy, but I did a full episode of filming, maybe even more, on the MK2 Rally and did a lot of work on the engine. So soon to be expected Mark II Rally content. First this week I'm going on with the Cadet. It's already Friday, so one day of work again probably on the Cadet, and see if we can make a good episode again and how much work I can get done on this day. Now off to the welding and grinding. This is so fucked up. It's always stuff like this that makes it freaking crazy hard to do. I just can't do anything about it and it's still happening. I've been filming and working and, well, explaining everything the whole day. But that's all not working. So I'll do a quick update on what I did. I ended up with the complete bottoms that are out. I de-rusted everything, prepared everything, and I'll show you some other shitty shit. Well, another great day in the fucking YouTube game. I fucking hate that. I don't want to do anything today anymore. So you can see in the display over here, that's 4 times slower recording. I never touch that button because I always leave it on so I can see if it's slowed or not, because there's this little button. You can see photo, camera, and S and Q. But if I push it, it doesn't work. And in some strange way, it's still going to the S and Q mode. And I have no idea how that is coming, but this means a whole day of filming today is, well, fucked up again. I'm going to buy a new camera and throw this in the trash because I'm done with it now. Really cranky now. So I thought I ordered a big panel for the left side, but that's the right side. And I ordered the short piece as I've shown you, and that was the left side. I didn't pay enough attention, and well, I'm not be able to use this side, so I need to order a new one for that. Okay, and to make shit even way better for today, the bottom repair part is not fitting. So back in the day I was right, and nowadays I was wrong. It doesn't fit. So it needs some adjustment. I think I can adjust it, but it's not making my day any better. So this needs to be all the way up there. And this piece is different from that piece. It's curved over here. This is way more down. So I can probably measure it back on where it's supposed to be. But that means this is not going in for today. I am not sure if I want to do anything else today. I am a little bit cranky about the camera and about all this shit what's happening now on this project. Probably better not to do anything because I'm going to make mistakes otherwise. Not what I was expecting. Well, at least you can see I got some shit done for today. We've got some big holes now. Way bigger than expected, and it's coming out way more. Okay, to put my mind on something else, I'm going on a little road trip. A little bit late, so it will be busy with traffic, but let's see if we can have some fun for today, because I am sick of the Cadet today. On a trip for a 40-minute drive, I guess, to potentially buy something new for the shop. Something I always wanted to have. Let's see if it is something or not, and maybe we can take it home today to have ending this day on a high, in case in certain way on the down low that I'm at right now for about the Cadet. I'm a little bit down and I want to go to the weekend in a high. So hopefully this is something. Okay, that is one little road trip done. Hopefully I bought this. Maybe at the end of this episode I will know, but the owner was going to let me know because he wasn't there himself if I have bought this. And the fun stuff of this is I figured out when I was away a little bit on how to fix my problems, or a couple of them. So this is the piece that came out. And as you can see, this has a wave form, and this point is shorter. But the rest, the bottom piece, is the same. So I thought, drill this out, then take this, drill this one out. So I got all the sheet metal. I got the sheet metal left over there. I can push that piece on here, and then I can create the wave and shape, and this can go up. And we should be there. So sorry people for this bad episode. I'm going to need a new camera. Hit me up if you know which will be a good one, because I'm not going to buy a Sony anymore, because this is the second one that's broken. And this one, well, the buttons don't work anymore, so I have no idea what to do with this. It's switching the recording mode on its own, and well, I'm going to need a new one. And then we can go off to the rest. Thank you again for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next episode. Next week, I will do my best to get some more out of this.